way to the ring. From San Diego, California, weighing 175 pounds, Rey Mysterio.
Watch out! Rey Mysterio's coming! Booyakah!
Approaching the ring from Mexico City, Mexico, weighing 196 pounds, Sin
Cara, he's sure to take flight here tonight, Cole.
Washington, weighing 192 pounds, Daniel Bryan.
Daniel Bryan looks like he's ready to put on a clinic in there. No! No!
Weighing 223 pounds, Dolph Ziggler.
When Dolph Ziggler goes to the ring, he looks to steal the show, hence the show off. Rey Mysterio is one of the great treasures of sports entertainment. And one of the most... This could be it. Cover. And there's the save. Kick out by Mysterio at 2. What a SummerSlam this is. Every single match is off the charts. Dolph Ziggler may talk the talk a little more than he walks the walk. What a kick that was. Cole, what's he got in mind? What's he going to find? He's not exactly hopping up to his feet here. Well, what do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just happened? This match has been... Oh, man! He landed right on his neck from that German suplex. Nice reversal. Whoa, Bryan just cutting down his opponent. You can feel the impact of those kicks from the cheap seats. Dolph's in trouble. We may need a physician out here. Dolph Ziggler's been back. He may get the 3 count, 1 kick out, and he almost had him. That very ability not to quit helped propel Dolph Ziggler to be a collegiate standout at Kent State University. King, why is Daniel Bryan successful? This kid is a great wrestling technician. I mean, he knows every hold, every counter, and he knows when to use them. Nobody wants to give an inch in this. 1, 2, 3. Sin Cara wins. Your winner, Sin Cara.
absolutely amazing.
We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight.
I mean, there's absolutely no way to underscore how big this victory is. Perhaps the biggest in his life.
An incredible ending to an incredible SummerSlam.